Alright, in this video, I don't know why it plays on my phone, but it won't play on here, you know? And it plays on YouTube, and then once I press post, it just stops playing. But I just took a hit, and I'm telling you guys that this is the Wonka bars, and I'm almost down to nothing for that one, but I still have more. Can you hear that? I still have more, so we're good. And then if I'm coughing, I'm about to say something real serious. I said, Stoner Bastion time, baby. And starts coughing. And don't tell me not to cough, because that shit's dead. That shit's annoying.